1,000 words that I could say to make you come home. Yeah, seems so long ago you walked away. Let me know. I remember what you said to me. You were acting so strange. Maybe I was too proud to play. That you needed a change. Was it something I said to make you turn away? Make you walk out and leave me cold? If I could just find a way to make it so that you were right here, right now. I've been sitting here, can't get you off my mind. Try my best to be a man and be strong. I drove myself insane, wishing I could touch your face. But the truth you're gone, baby, you're gone. Girl, you're gone, baby girl, you're gone, you're I don't wanna make excuses, baby. Won't change the fact that you're gone, no baby. But if there's something that I could do, won't you please let me know? The time is passing so slowly now. Guess that's my life without you. Guess that's my life without you. And maybe I could change my everyday, yeah. But baby, I don't want to. So I'll just hang around and find some things to do to take my mind off missing you. And I know in my heart you can say that you don't love me too. Please say you do. Yeah, sitting here, get you off my mind. It's my best to be a man and be strong. Wishing I could touch your face. The truth remains you're gone, you're Baby, now blue. If I can't be with you, tell me when I turn to baby who now that we are apart, am I still in your heart? Baby, why don't you see that I need you here with me? Oh, I've been sitting here, get you off my mind, get you off my mind. It's my best to be a man. Myself insane, won't hurt you, baby. Oh, the truth remains, you're gone. Get you off my mind, get you off my mind. It's my best to be a man. Myself insane, wishing I could touch your face. But the truth remains, baby, the truth is you're gone. You're gone, baby girl, you're gone. But the truth remains.